Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be going to Panda Express to try out the new Sichuan Hot Chicken. I think that's how you pronounce it. So yeah, let's get to it. We are here. Oh my god. I forgot to get a fucking fork. Pop, pop, pop. Alright guys, we got the fork. Here's my bowl with the Sichuan. I think that's how you pronounce it. Here it is. Just a stick of chicken. It's just seems to be like fried chicken. I think that's how you call it. I'm not a cook myself. It's fried chicken with chili on top. The lady that was helping me out, she asked if I wanted to add the extra spice. Honestly, I thought they were gonna make a whole different batch and serve me that, but no, all they do is just add like a powder on top to make it more spicy. But let's see how it tastes. Let me tell you, it is not spicy. I feel like the spicy chickens they sell at Carl's Jr. are a bit more spicy than this. Yeah, you could taste a bit of the spice, but it's not as like, wow, it's spicy, you know? It's just like, I don't know, like a seasoning. It's not spicy at all. It's good, I'm not gonna lie. No, I'm eating it. It's good. Like I said, it's just like fried chicken with seasoning on top. Sichuan. Yeah, they only gave me 3 pieces. I already ate one before I started filming just to try it myself. So this channel here, it's not gonna have one purpose. I want this channel to be, well, as we started already trying foods, you know, because I like food. I'm pretty sure you do too. Also, I want to do some extreme challenges. I haven't thought of any, like, what to start with. But I would like to do like some, like, you know, I guess the 12 wing buffalo challenge they got over there. I would like to do that. I don't know, maybe the Carolina chili pepper challenge. Now that is extreme. I don't know. And also I would like to vlog some adventures, you know. Someone just passed by. I'm still not used to having this camera in my face, filming myself alone. That's why I didn't feel comfortable filming inside Panda Express, because a lot of people were there. And I'm still a bit shy around the camera. That's why these glasses are here too. But yeah, like I was saying, this channel, I want it to be fun, you know. I don't want it to be focused on just one thing. It's gonna have a little bit of everything, I hope. as far as food wise and extreme challenges, please let me know if you want to see something, like you have anything in mind. Let me know down below. I live in California, so if there's some like a place you want me to go and try and explore for you, let me know down below. Same for the challenges. If you have any in mind, extreme challenges, I would do it. Comment down below, let me know. And so yeah, we'll end it here. Yeah, just if you like this video, give it a like, comment and share. See you next time.